In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a playlist on Spotify. So this process is fairly straightforward, so let's just get straight into it. The first step is you want to tap on where it says Your Library there at the bottom bar. Once you're on the Your Library page, you'll see a plus icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on that. And now you want to give your playlist a name. So I'm just going to call this one Test for an example, and then tap on Create in green at the bottom. Okay, so now the playlist has been created. Now we need to add some songs to the playlist. So I'm just going to tap on Add Songs, and you can add songs from the suggested list, but most likely you'll just go into the search bar and search for a song that you want to add. So just type in the name of the song and then tap on the plus icon on the right hand side of the song to add it. And now if I go back, you can see that song has been added, and you just want to tap on Add Songs and repeat that process for however many songs you want to add into that specific playlist. And that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.